Kuya Bal Santos Matubang. There, I have my own coffee. There, sa Agoot, ubos na yung sa kanila, sa bahay. There. Oh, sorry. I dropped one. There, I dropped one. I got 3 pack. There. There. Last night I did not open because I'm so tired kasi nandito yung mga girls. So today, just now, I opened the packet, my parcel. There. Thank you for packing my VSM Kalingap Cafe for my family and for Ate Dol Dumondon. Thank you. And also, there, they give me only 3 of the Theobroma. I just want to try. There. Tonight I try. There. There. Theobroma. Is that the name? That's the name. Oh, baliktad. There. I get 3 sticks only of this. The rest, they try at home for my sisters. Yung may diabetes, saka may sakit sa throat. So this one I try. There. There. This says, my sister says they love BSM Kalingap Cafe. There. Kasi nagpapatanggal ng acid. There. Kaya inubos nila agad. Pati yung si mother. Noon hindi niya pinapansin ito. Ngayon gusto kasi nung una yung isa medyo matamis siya. Kahit na hindi asukal yun. Pero talaga medyo mas matamis yun kaysa ito. Kaya mas gusto ko ito kasi less sugar, less yung stevia. So maubos mo ang isang cup nito. Yung isa nun matamis talaga. Pero okay lang yun. Pero ito mas less ang tamis niya. There, thank you so much. One day I gonna feel like this. There. Pag ako'y nag-for good. Tingi-tingi, hindi nila kaya yung buo. Kagaya sa atin, sa probinsya, pag wala silang abroad, hindi sila makakabili ng buo ng ganito. Kaya, isang sticks lang, pwede na yun. Dagdagan mo lang ng $2, $5. There. There. Mag-coffee ako tonight. Tapos lang ang lunch namin. Kasi si Miss Ling, there, ayaw niyang bumangon. So, this is our cup. Coffee tonight. I try for Miss Ling. Kaso si Miss Ling, gusto niya yung kape talaga na tunay na kape. There. Pinatikman ko na siya noon. There. Siyempre, hindi continuous dahil nga hindi basta-basta magpa-order dito. Lagi kaming wala. There. So, tonight, I try this one. There. 10 sticks for 1 pack. So, I have 31 month. Pero hindi naman every day magkape. Alternate yung kape na original. There. There. So, bili na kayo ng BSM Kalingap Cafe. There. Yay! There. Kape tayo. Mamayang gabi. Kasi ang dami kong nain na tubig. Soft drinks. There. So, bye! Thank you, Kuya Bal Santos Matubang, Ate Edna Vlogs. Shout out! Kalingap Rob, shout out! Sa lahat dyan. Thank you so much! Shout out! Magkape na tayo. Yan, all over the world. Ang VSM Kalingap Cafe. There. There. Mas maganda palang dito. Mag-vlog. Kasi pag nasa labas ka, yung direction ng mata mo, iba. Pag dito sa loob ng bahay, there, on the camera. There, thank you so much Kuya Bal for packing my coffee. There sa bahay, nag-enjoy sila. Ubus na raw yung kape nila. Kaya next time, pag I'm free ulit, mag-order ulit ako para sa kanila. Pag nag-forget ako, yan, bibili ako ng marami, ibenta ko yan sa harap ng bahay namin. There, bye! Good evening! There, so, there. Tomorrow night, punta kami sa Peak Home ulit. So, there. Bye for now. There, I will try the Theobroma. There, parang ano, kukwa taste. There, very full ito. Yung tamis niya, matamis pa rin, pero okay lang. There, full until here. See, look, very full. There. Pwede rin lagyan ng ice or hot water. There. Yeah, gonna try now. This is Theobroma. There. Bye for now ulit. Thank you, Kuya Bal. Ate Edna. There.